Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Indonesian News Update. I'm Sadef Ikoropada, or you can call Sadef. I'm the reporter of this news. Today, we bring you the latest report on Indonesian, or you can say the latest news in Indonesian. Okay. I will bring you about latest disaster in Indonesia. Heavy rainfall over recent days has triggered major flooding and landslide in several Indonesian regions. Most notably is Lebak Regency and Banten Provinsi and Agam Regency and West Sumatra. According to Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Bencana, or you can say BNPB, National Disaster Management and Agency, dozens of homes have been submerged underwater, reaching up to 1 meter deep, while several main roads have been obstructed by landslide debris, making rescue effort is increasingly difficult. Okay, and this is for some of the pictures we take in some of the picture of the disaster. Okay, you can see. Okay, after that, local authorities together with the regional BD, the military and police units are currently working to evacuate residents and clear transportation routes. Displaced families are being moved to temporary shelters. Aid is being distributed, and warning systems are on high alert due to continuing high rainfall. The BNPB warns that additional landslines may occur due to the combination of starch soil and steep terrain. Residents living in high risk zones, particularly on slopes, in rivers, or after previous landline activity, are advised to evacuate as soon as they see early warning sign. The sign is crack in the ground, sudden muddy water runoff, or unusual sound for the slopes, like not unusual sound from the crops. Meanwhile, the provincial government of Banten has declared an emergency status and mobile search and rescue units into affected district. In the West Sumatra, the government has located emergency fund and request a national extension to speed up recovery efforts. For the community, here are some practical steps to take. Monitor official channel and weather alert. Avoid entering floodwater or slope showing signs of instability. Prepare an emergency kit with essential water. Prepare an emergency kit with essential like water, flashlight, important documents, basic first aid, and stay at higher ground if possible, and help neighbors who may be robber. Get watch out cover for this hour. Stay safe, stay alert, and keep following updates from official sources. I'm Sarif Guropata. Thank you for watching. No, I'm Sarif Guropata. The next one is about bullying or tawuran by Ilyas. Hi Ilyas.
Okay, thank you for Sade for bringing us latest update in Indonesia. Hello, my name is Ilyas. I'm the second reporter for this channel. Today I will bring you about the latest update about bullying and tawuran. Okay, in Busi City in Indonesia, there were two high schools that stood not very far from each other school, Harapan High School and Merdeka High School. For many years, the students from the two schools had a bad relationship. No one remember how it started. Some said I began with a football match. Others said I start from a small job that became a big problem. However, the reason was the students had grown to dislike each other. Every day, when school finished, students from both schools would walk home. Something they only start at each other, but something the should word that the people angry. Most of the time, the situation stopped there. But one afternoon, everything changed. It was a hot day, and many students felt tired after the class. A group of boys from Harapan High School stood outside their school gate. They were talking loudly about a rumor. Someone said that students from Merdeka High School had made fun of them online. So the message to each other, and the anger inside them grows and stronger. Meanwhile, at Merdeka High School, other group of boys heard a different rumor. They believed that Harapan students were planning to attack them. Their hearts were full of fear. But instead of talking to teacher, they chose to defend themselves. They began to gather near the main road. At around 4 p.m., both groups met in middle of the street. At first, they only looked at each other. They all feel happy, and the street became quiet. People walking. That's something that's wrong. That slowly moved away. That one student, no one know and then he said, but it was Enoch, the break the lines. The fight is begun. Stones, their tone, sword filled the air. Students ran in every direction, some to attack. To accept a motorcycle had to stop. Student cars could not move. Store owners closed their doors out of fear. The one street had turned into chaos. A woman who lived nearby quickly called the police. Please come quickly, he said with a trembling voice. Wait a minute. The police arrived. They blew their swords, raised them arms, and shouted for the student to stop. Some students ran away as last as they could. Others were frozen in shock, and a few were by the police and brought to the station of questioning. Okay, maybe that's all for me for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.